Hello everyone and welcome back. I have been using some IKEA products from past couple of years. I'm quite satisfied with their durability and aesthetics, so I thought of sharing a little bit about them with you. Honestly speaking, these frames were an impulsive pick. I loved their pastel color and finish. Using these, I had created a collage on the wall in my living room. They are fiber made and has this kind of finish at the back. You can hang them on the wall or use them on your table. You must have seen this flower vase in many IKEA halls. Its classy transparent look makes it simply elegant and timeless. I paired it with these three artificial flower stems that I again bought from IKEA itself, and that's it. They were super trendy because of their beautiful design. This golden tin planter is again a timeless decor piece that you may want to invest on. It's a budget friendly way of adding some luxury vibe to any space. To pair up these planters, I also invested on some artificial plants. You may take it as a personal recommendation from my end because of its excellent quality. Artificial plants from IKEA are super durable in their quality. Some parts of my home don't receive ample sunlight, but I love decorating my home with greens. These plants turned out to be one of the best artificial plants I've ever invested on. Once it accumulates dust, all I do is just place it under a running water and that's it. But for the trailing ones, I just dip it in a bucket full of water and wash. No fading of color, no breaking of leaves or any dampness inside. So in less than an hour, it's as good as new. Maintaining metal furnitures is a cakewalk, and I realized this only after using one. I wasn't very fond of metal cabinets until I saw this one in IKEA. The only thing that bothers me are some rigid stains that don't come off easily. However, it's a compact cabinet with enough storage, and so I don't mind some stains here and there. I can always repaint it as per my requirement and choice. If you're wondering about this white thing, no, it doesn't come with the cabinet. I got this from Amazon and use it on all the open cabinets at my home. It's my easy peasy way of protecting the documents from my toddler, as she could easily open such cabinets that come with no lock. If you want, you can check out the link in the description box. This elevated white countertop shelf is something I was looking for to organize my kitchen countertop. I always discuss on space saving vertical organization methods in my videos, and this turned out to be a perfect piece for the same. It is made up of metal and thus super easy to maintain. I keep shuffling the items or the decor pieces on the shelf as per my latest requirements. We can't deny on how fond we all are of open shelves, but finding the right one is a true challenge. The white shelves were the reason why I went to IKEA in the first place. These fiber angles come separately in different colors. I wanted all white. The shelves have chipped from the edges now after 3 years of usage, as you can see. I don't mind it as I'm still in love with the way it looks. I display my collection of fancy bottles and jars here, and it goes perfectly with any new decor I try. The thing that attracts me the most about this shelf is its detailed edge, which is Victorian style carved edge. We added this black solid wood long shelf right above our TV, and we planned for this look quite in advance for the TV area. The reason was its size. Such huge things I feel must not be bought impulsively. And you can find the shelf in white color as well. I got this metal angle separately to pair them up with the shelf. The angles come with these twisted corners and you can use them for hanging your planters and other decor stuff just to add a little bit of aesthetics to the look. I wanted to try airtight containers from IKEA, so I bought this one. The best thing about this is that you can purchase these even without the lids, and you may just use them as serving bowls. Isn't that great? I often use it like that, but at times I do use the lid that I bought along with it. I use it in multiple ways as a lunchbox, serving bowl, to store food in the fridge, and whatnot. I needed a canister for my kitchen. I bought a similar one from Amazon too. I can't really differentiate between the quality as both the jars proved to be quite durable and perfectly airtight. You can easily take off the gasket and wash it when needed. Overall, it's a beautiful piece with satisfying quality. I searched for these dessert spoons with long handles almost everywhere and ended up finding them in IKEA. I had to pick it, just that I feel they were a little expensive as I got 4 of these for 500 bucks. But to say the least, the quality of steel is quite premium, which is why the spoons are comparatively heavy. Overall, it's a good purchase. This is it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Do consider subscribing the channel for more such videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take a very good care of yourself. Bye.